Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Kajal from Good Life and Learning. Today we will learn how you can convert your text data into two different columns. Let's see an example. Suppose we are having a table in which there are different names like William James, Ryan Reynolds, Aradhna Goel, and what you want is you want to type the name in two different columns. Like the name is written here William James. You want the data name like this. Okay, you want this name to be appeared in two different columns. So let's see how you can do that. Yes, you can easily do that. Just select the range, then go to the data tab, then text to columns. You will be able to see the option delimited and your data, preview of selected data, the data you have selected. Then go to next. Then you will be able to see two delimiters checked. That is, one is tab, another is space. Delimiters means in short that what is the separator here. Here the space is separator and we want wherever the space occurs, we want the data in two different columns. So we are going to check this checkbox of space. Now go to next option and give the range of the cell where you want your destination data. Suppose we want our data in the original column. So just select it or give its range, the first cell, then OK, then finish. So you will be able to see that your text data has been converted into two columns, two or three columns. Wherever the space has occurred, it has converted the rows data into columns data. Like previously William James was in one column, now it is in two columns. So see, you can also do this by not disturbing the original cell. So how you can do this is just press the Ctrl Z and do the same action again. Go to data tab, text to columns, delimited option should be selected, next, then space should be selected, then next, and select the destination column. Suppose this time we want our data to be typed here. So just select this range or give this cell's address. OK, now finish. Now you have seen that your data has been appeared in two different columns without touching the first column. So this is exactly what we were talking about. So sometimes what happens, there are different types of separators. Like in the row number 14 and the 15, you could easily see that there is ampersand sign. So you can also change this text data to columns. You need to do this by using the data tab. Just go to text to columns and then go to next tab. Then you will see there is no space, there is ampersand sign. So just click on other sign, click the checkbox of other and type shift +7. Your ampersand sign will appear. Now you will see wherever the ampersand sign appears, a line has been drawn. That means when you will select this option, your data will be represented in this way. So go to next tab and give the destination cells. Now this time we want our data in the another column. So I have given this cell's address. Now this is the preview, the how the data will look. Now press the finish button. So see, you can also convert your text data to columns if there is another sign rather than space. So this was all for today's video. Thank you for watching our video.